I am David Lobo, chairman of Deejay Coconut Breeding Farm. I want to share a personal secret with you. There is only one way to run your farm, to look after your coconut palms. And the answer to that is the best way. Such a simple answer. I want to share a little bit more. As a child, I had an experience on going online. Yes, 60 years ago, going online meant going on the railway line in a special carriage with a railway engineer who had to do that on his work. And my dad being a railway engineer, took me sometimes online. What is a bedding? A bedding is a canvas bag in which you have the two ends placed for pillows, and in the middle blankets and sheets, and you rolled it up, wrapped it up, and carried it with you and laid it out on the railway seats and wooden seats. In those days there were no bedding, there was no mattresses. I made the bedding and my dad said, "Can you not do a better job?" And I did it again, and he said, "I'm sure you can still do a better job." That has been with me. There's only one way to do a task, the best way. And when you find it, that's what we believe in DJs. So I want to share with you what I think is the simplest and the best way for you. The simplest and best way is fertigation. At this stage of our knowledge on coconut farming, and after many years of research, we find we get substantially better results from fertigation, substantially better performance, substantially less labor. On every front, there are advantages. The best way simplifies your management dramatically. Please do look at your farm again and apply fertigation to it at least once a week. Please do look at your palms again. Please love your palms. And if you do, give them fertigation once a week. Thank you.